Hi, I'm Shane LaBelle with Washington County, and I am going to show you how to check the status of your project. First, you'll go to the Washington County Project Docs website. You can log in using your email and password. You should have received an email with a temporary password. If you didn't, you can contact us and get one of those. Go ahead and log on in. You will see the different projects that you are associated with. You can see I'm associated with quite a few. We're going to look at this project right here, 18917. So to look at it, your project, you will click on the project, and then you can come over here to project reports, pull this up. The two reports that you're most likely going to be interested in is this project flow department review status. So if we click on the little microscope and picture, you'll come up here, we'll click on workflow instances. This is the workflow instance, and then click view report. And this project has had 4 review cycles. So if you click on the review cycle, you can see the different departments that have reviewed it, the different reviewers, their contact info, and then the status of that review in that cycle. So you can see we've had the 4th review cycle. Currently there are 2 individuals that have a task in their queue to review it. And this is where it is. So you can see on the 3rd review cycle, we had 1 approved and 2 corrections, so it went back. And then now that the applicants resubmitted, those tasks are in those reviewers' queues. The other report is the workflow routing slip. Go ahead and click on that. Again, select the workflow instance, view report. And this report will bring up from the time the project started all the way through the project. So you can see the first task was the applicant uploading. It then, once that's complete, it comes in. We review, we do a pre-screen review and make sure everything's been submitted correctly. If it has, we begin the review cycle. It gets assigned to the different reviewers that goes out, and you can see through the different review cycles, this review cycle 1, review cycle 2. It gives you dates assigned, dates accepted, dates completed, the different reviewers that have worked on it. And if we go to sheet 2, you can see we're down here in review cycle 4. These were just assigned yesterday. Today is the 21st. Typically these get taken care of very quickly when we're down on the 3rd, 4th review. So with that, this is how you can check the status of your report, of your project.